Hi everyone, I'm Emily and welcome to A Couple Codes. This is a YouTube channel where my husband and I are documenting our progress learning web development through the Odin project. So today is day 124 of the Odin project for me, and I have some exciting updates to share. Since my last vlog, I completed my CV app project and I have almost completed my memory card project. So I'll be showing you both of those. This is my CV app project. When I showed it to you last time, I talked about the structure of the components for the project, but I hadn't done any styling yet. So I finally finished all of the CSS styling, and you'll see that this is the input form where someone can put in their contact information, education, and job experiences, and they can add and delete any experiences that they'd like. And then when you submit each section, then it formats it into a CV. And yes, I did name this after my dog Copper, who we call Copper Tones. So after completing this project, I learned about React functional components and React hooks. And then I actually went back into this project and I converted all of my class components into functional components. I then moved on to my memory card project, which is right here. I love all the dogs. So this is a game where the user clicks on images of dogs to get points, but they can't click the same image twice. So up on the corner of the screen, I have the current score, and then it keeps track of the best score. So if you click the same dog twice, then it resets your score, and then you have to try to beat the best score. Now, the purpose of this project is to practice using functional components, and it relies pretty heavily on state. So the way that I have this set up, in my app.js file, I render two main components, a header and a container. And then I set state for the round score and also the best score. And I pass those states as props to my header and container components. So in the header component, I render the title of the page and the project instructions. And then I also render the scoreboard with the round score and the best score. And then in my container component, this is where the magic happens. I import all of my dog images, which I save to my local project, and I build an adjacency list to keep track of which images have been clicked. And then I generate each image by mapping over the adjacency list, and then it links to the appropriate image file. And I add an event listener, so every time a user clicks an image, then it will call the handle click function, which checks to see if the image has been clicked or not. If it has not yet been clicked, then it increases the score by setting state for score, and then it sets the state for the adjacency list to update that image to indicate that it has been clicked, and it also shuffles the order of the images. Now, if a user clicks an image and it has already been clicked, then it calls reset round, and the reset round function sets the score back to 0. And then it also sets the adjacency list so that all of the images indicate that they have not been clicked. So my biggest challenge with this project was pretty much the same as all my other projects. When I started it, I made things really complicated really quickly, and then I just had to stop and scrap a lot of things and restart. And then it went a lot more smoothly the second time. Something that made it really complicated is that I added more components than I needed to. And I also was trying to use effect when I really didn't need to. I wanted to practice using it, but I only ended up using it once in this project. And that is anytime that the score got updated, then I checked it against the best score, and then I would set state to update the best score. I have a couple small things that I still want to do to finish up this project, but otherwise I'm super excited that it's functional, and I really like the way that it looks. This one was really fun to complete, so I'm looking forward to the next project. But that is all that I have for today, so thank you so much for joining in. If you're completing the Odin project, please say hi in the comments below. Let me know about your own coding journey. And if you like these updates, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to follow along on our web dev journey. But have a great day, and I'll see you next time.